Welcome to 3-Minute Grammar Lesson 2 about the structure, purpose, location, and meaning of prepositional phrases. I'm Amy Modal, Communications Department faculty at Okanagan College. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition like to, at, for, or in. The preposition is combined with a noun to make a phrase such as to her friend, at the lake, for 10 minutes, or in the morning. This type of phrase tells readers information like when and where an action occurred. Because it is often clearer to maintain a close relationship between subject, verb, and object, prepositional phrases that refer to the whole action are generally added before and or after this unit. For example, in the morning, the girl tossed the ball. We can add as many prepositional phrases as needed. For example, in the morning, at the lake, the girl tossed the ball for 10 minutes. Prepositional phrases might be moved around to slightly shift meaning or change emphasis. For example, in the morning, the girl tossed the ball at the lake for 10 minutes. Now the ball might be moving in the direction of the lake. Here is a more serious example for our academic purposes. The heart of the sentence is, the author argued the point, which can be expanded on with where, such as by adding the two prepositional phrases in the conclusion and of the article, as well as a final prepositional phrase about editing, which makes the general noun, the point, more specific. In the conclusion of the article, the author argued the point about editing. Another common use for a prepositional phrase is to make a general noun more specific, as we saw in the last example of the point, which could refer to many things. Adding a prepositional phrase after for the point about editing or the point about testing makes the idea more specific. Here's a second example. The study is such a general noun, so of English might be added, and also in Canada. This entire phrase, the study of English in Canada, could now sit in subject position followed by a verb and object, for the study of English in Canada includes many dialects, creating a complete sentence. In this second 3-minute grammar lesson, I hope you learn how to identify prepositional phrase structure, purpose, and the relationship between location and meaning. Future lessons will include topics such as adjectives, transitive versus intransitive verbs, passive voice structure, complex sentences, and punctuation. Thanks for joining me.